Hello friends, in today's video I wanted to show you a super easy and simple way to paint a cute little bird like this. It really takes about a minute or so. It's really easy and simple to follow along. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and get started. So with a soft brush number 8, I'm going to do the head first. It's a bit of an oval shape with like a little bit here for kind of finishing up the head. And now I'm going to do the wing, drag it down and do kind of make a longer oval. Now for the tail, I'm gonna go ahead and from here drag down 2 or 3 long brush strokes. That will be that. Now for the body, I am using another soft brush. This is a Raphael 20, but you can use any soft round brush that you have. And I'm gonna go ahead and drag one big motion like downwards. Beautiful. So he's very fluffy. And just finish up the oval shape. That looks absolutely cute. Now with the same brush and the indigo, I'm gonna go ahead and do the little beak. It's just a representation of a beak. Now remember that a combination of indigo and yellow make a beautiful green. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the little branches. Not the branches, the leaves on which the little bird stands on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this motions like of a branch that my little bird is standing on, like it's coming from a tree. Beautiful. Now a combination of indigo, yellow and orange create a beautiful brown color. So using the same brush, I am just doing the actual branch of the tree. Very kind of abstract. It's coming from somewhere out here, and that looks perfectly beautiful and fine. Now as my very last step, I'm going to do the little feet with the same indigo color. And there you have it, a cute little beautiful bird in very easy and simple steps. I really hope you guys enjoyed the super mini tutorial, and let me know in the comments if you like these mini tutorials or if you like to see something a little bit more elaborate. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.